Tara, learn tayo! Good day! I am Sir Junel, and in this video, I will teach you how to illustrate the union of sets. Tara, learn tayo! Consider these two sets of animals. If these animals are put together in the wild, for sure, they will fight for their survival. Except if they become a prey of some lions or tigers. Ooh. When put together these two sets of animals into the wild, our intention is to keep biodiversity. Putting together two sets into one has something to do with set operations. Before we proceed, let us be guided by the following objectives. First, define the union of sets. Second, show the union of sets. And third, relate some instances about the properties of the union of sets. Kaya yan! Kaya mo nang tiisin si Crush? Eto pa kaya? Okay, balik tayo! Previously, we discussed about the cardinality of the set. Cardinality of the set refers to the number of elements inside the set. Example, if A has the following elements, X, Y, and Z, the cardinality of A is written as n of A, which is equal to 3, since there are 3 elements in set A. Another example, if X has the following elements, the cardinality of X represented by n of X is equal to 6. But for today, I will discuss about the union of sets, and here is the definition. The union of two sets, A and B, is a set containing all elements that are in A or in B, or both in A and B, and it is represented by this symbol. Union of A and B, it is written as A union B, and the union of X, Y, and Z is written as X union Y union Z. Easy lang, di ba? Example, use the diagram to illustrate the union of sets A and B. A has the following elements, and B has these elements. We're going to write their elements. A is equal to red, blue, and yellow, and B is equal to orange, green, and violet. The union of sets A and B is equal to red, blue, yellow, union with orange, green, and violet, which results to red, blue, yellow, orange, green, and violet. This is the union of A and B, and can be illustrated by the shaded region in this diagram. Another example, if X has the following elements and Y has these elements, to get the union of these sets, X union Y is equal to 1, 2, 3, and 4, union with 3, 4, 5, and 6. Combining all these elements, we get X union Y is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
Excuse me sir, may 3 and 4 sa parehong sets. Bakit po isang 3 at isang 4 lang ang union ng X at Y?
Good question. Take note, if there are common elements in the set, to get the union, just write these elements once. As we define set, it is a collection of distinct objects called elements that share a common characteristics. Pag sinabing distinct, ibig sabihin ay natatangi. This is how we represent the union of sets. The concept of union is applied during the time of pandemic, combining a set of people with coronavirus in the same isolation facilities, or different set of people from different barangays gathered together in a vaccination site. This time, I want you to answer the following activities. Write your answer in your math notebook. Congratulations! This time, you know how to illustrate the union of sets. Maybe it's time to apply your knowledge about this concept. Let's have a short evaluation. Time's up! I tell you, you did a good job! Bravo!
Oh my God! Wow!
To sum up this video, the union of sets simply refers to the elements when we combine all distinct elements of the sets.
Sir, knock knock.
Who's there?
Union.
Union who?
Union Bridge is falling down, falling down.
Anyways, there you have it. Finally, we are down to our last part. I want you to cite an example in real life where you can use the concept of union of sets. There are plenty that you can provide, but just give one. You can write your answer in your notebook. That's all for this video. Thank you and ingat!